Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Grab. So if Grab is not sending you the verification code by SMS, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try again. Next, turn the airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off again by tapping on the airplane icon in the control center. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number linked to your Grab account. Next, check if the Grab app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for Grab and then tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling the Grab app. For that, you need to press and hold the Grab app icon, tap on Remove app and then delete the app. And then you can reinstall the app again from the App Store and then request for a verification code again. If these fixes still don't help you, you can also try restarting your phone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off your phone, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on again. Lastly, the problem could be from Grab's server. If there is maintenance or high traffic, the verification code may not be sent properly. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on Grab. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.